Woody? 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 What is it, Woody? What are you doing?
I'm thinking of China.
Where?
China.
Why?
Get some dumplings.
Why do you want dumplings?
'Cause I hate this dog food.
Woody?
Leave me alone.
Woody? What are you doing?
I can smell some chow fun.
Woody?
I'm almost there.
But what are you going to do when you get to China? Do you know Chinese?
Maybe. I'm tired. I'm gonna go to sleep for a little bit. I hate cameras. Turn it off. Turn it off now.
Woody? 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 Woody?